The Weller WX2021 soldering system is a dual port unit that actually you can read both channels simultaneously. It has a touch screen and a click wheel for changing parameters and settings in the station. You also have an RJ45 connector on the front where the station becomes a controller for Weller heat plates and fume extraction systems, and a multi-function USB port on the front. The Weller WX2021 comes complete with the Weller WXMP MS soldering pencil for micro soldering application. It comes complete with a tip. It also comes with the Weller WXMT MS micro soldering tweezer for desoldering applications. Both of the tools have motion sensors in the handles so that they sense movement when removed from the stand and will come back to temperature from a programmable set mode very quickly.